Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore a new trading strategy. I will trade the euro-dollar currency pair using a time frame of 30 minutes. Indeed, this strategy is appropriate for any trading instrument, and it can also be used for trading on the foreign exchange market, cryptocurrencies, or stocks.
Maximize your trading profits and minimize your risks with our free forex signals available exclusively on our Telegram channel. Our experienced traders analyze the markets in real time to give you the most reliable signals. Become part of our thriving community and start trading with confidence. Click the link in the description below to join now.
First, we need to include an indicator on the graph known as the bias index of momentum. Add it. It appears at the very bottom and represents histograms of the color green, red in color. If the histograms are green and they are above a single gray dashed line, if the line indicates so, then this point approximately signals a purchase. As you can observe, our trend continues to ascend. If our histograms are red and they are also above the gray dashed line, then the lines indicate a selling signal. As we can observe, the upward trend persisted around this point. If the green and red histograms are beneath the dotted line, then we do not open any buy or sell orders. If, for instance, the green histograms turn darker, it signifies that the upward trend will soon diminish. Therefore, we do not initiate trade agreements under such circumstances. This applies to red histograms as well. When they turn darker in color, it indicates that the downtrend is imminent. To expire, we also do not initiate trade agreements in such circumstances. Using this single indicator alone does not ensure that we will. We will profit in the long run, despite the inevitable setbacks. Signals. Therefore, we need to add another indicator called Average Orientation Index. We're incorporating it. It's located at the very bottom. It symbolizes the red line. Next, we need to insert an additional horizontal line at the level. 20. Need exactly 20. So we correct and save the changes. Next, we need to modify the settings of the first indicator we incorporated into the chart. We need to deselect these two values and save the settings. All settings are now complete, and we can commence testing our strategy. So, let's proceed to the examples.
Maximize your profits with XM Forex Broker. Sign up now and enjoy features like zero commission on deposits and withdrawals, comprehensive educational resources, and personalized customer support. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to take advantage of these exclusive trading benefits and more.
We have a buy signal. Let's analyze this in more detail. If the red line of our second indicator crosses the entire trend line that we have drawn, then it is a signal to take action. Set at 20 and increasing, as well as on our initial indicator. The columns are green and all stand tall. Gray dotted line. This is our purchase signal. It is located in this place. But what else did I intend to convey when this crimson line is beneath the ivory line? Then we never open trade agreements. Trades are initiated only when the red line is positioned above the white one. Lines. Only then do they initiate both purchase and sale transactions. So, as I mentioned, at this juncture, we initiate a purchase transaction. Set a stop loss and take profit. We will see how this agreement works out for us. As you can observe, the price instantly escalated and we registered a profit. Now let's examine a sell signal. It is evident that the red line has intersected the white trend line and is ascending. We have formed red columns, and they are above the dotted line. Additionally, as you can observe, we have another subtle detail here, a sizable red. The candlestick indicates that the price will likely continue to decrease. That's why I'm initiating a transaction for sale. I have set a stop loss and take profit. And I am observing how this trade deal will unfold. As you can see, we also concluded this trade in profit. To solidify our understanding, let's examine one more instance of a purchase and for sale. The initial example will be available for purchase. The red line is significantly higher than the white line. The green histograms that have been generated are positioned above the gray dotted line, hence I proceed to open a second purchase agreement. I have set a stop loss and take profit. And I am observing how this trade deal will unfold. This time, as we can see, it's not quite as fast. The situation may be unfavorable, but there is still a bit of a lateral trend. And at this location we made a profit. And finally, let's examine a sales example. The red line has intersected our white line and is ascending. The formed red columns are above the gray dotted line. That's why I'm initiating a sale deal. I have set a stop loss and take profit. And I'm observing how it functions. This trade agreement. Everything happened quite rapidly. We concluded this deal profitably. As evident, all 4 transactions were successful, resulting in a profit. Of course, there will not be such a thing as 100% of transactions being positive. We will also receive false signals. In general, this strategy yields profits for traders. Well, if you enjoyed this strategy, you can certainly utilize it. Practice. I believe you will also benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your instruction is unclear. Could you please provide the text that needs to be corrected? And see you in the next video.